I interrupt your daily activity to bring you this breaking news. Yes. Do you know that shortlet apartments are the main thing now? Yes, so people now are going for the options of shortlet apartment instead of booking hotels. Now, on the average, from Lekki Phase 1 to you get to Aja, within the first 10 days of the month, do you know that houses or places that are put up for short let rental are fully booked within the first 10 days of the month? What is that telling you? There's a lot of people making so much gains from short let apartments. Now here comes the good news. The good news is there are various properties around Lekki, Aja, and its environs that you can subscribe to, do a payment plan for, and be able to use those properties for short let rentals. Yeah. Wow, what are you going to do? You're going to have to call me now, or you keep watching all the posts I post on this platform. Yeah, I'm not sure you've seen one or two that you'll be like, if I buy this property and I'll be able to use it to make money from shortlet rental. So why not call me? Or keep watching my post. But remember, you know, as the value of property goes, every few weeks the prices are increasing. So it's best you call me now, or you just tell me, DM me, say, "Oh, Maureen, this thing you just posted now, I want to buy it before the price goes up." Oh, okay. So I'm waiting for your call. Okay, try to make passive income. Come on, that money you have, try to make it make more money for you. All right, see ya.